Test your English with 40 mixed questions. Only strong learners will pass. Ready? What does not lift a finger mean? Answer C. Do nothing. What does put someone through their paces mean? Answer A. Test them. Which is a synonym of abrupt? Answer B. Sudden. Choose a synonym for advocate. Answer C. Support. What is the antonym of advancement? Answer A. Decline. Opposite of compel. Answer D. Allow. Choose the correct plural form of thesis. Answer B. Theses. What is the plural form of matrix? Answer A. Matrices. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C. He stopped talking when he heard the noise. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer A. If I were you, I would take the job. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C. She is so intelligent to complete the task quickly. Form the past simple of outdo. Answer D. Outdid. What is the past simple form of gainsay? Answer A. Gainsayed. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer C. Eliminate. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Especially. Find the correct spelling. Answer A. Disappoint. Pick the opposite of decisive. Answer D. Hesitant. What is the opposite of concise? Answer C. Wordy. Opposite of adaptation. Answer B. Resistance. Which is a synonym of marry? Answer D. Wed. Choose a synonym for member. Answer B. Participant. What word is closest to vulnerable? Answer C. Defenseless. What does break your neck imply? Answer A. Rush hard. What does bring to heel mean? Answer C. Control someone. What does come to a sticky end mean? Answer B. End badly. Form the past simple of underlie. Answer A. Underlay. Choose the correct past form of sling. Answer C. Slung. What is the past tense of rid? Answer B. Rid. What is the past simple form of strike? Answer D. Struck. Choose the correct plural form of prawn. Answer B. Prawns. What is the correct plural of colony? Answer D. Colonies. Choose the correct plural form of soap dish. Answer C. Soap dishes. What is the plural of curiosity? Answer C. Curiosities. Fill the gap. Answer D. She has little energy left after the long day. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. His consistent behavior won the trust of colleagues. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C. She expressed her ideas with great clarity. Keep going 4 questions to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Politically. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer B. Orientation. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Tradition. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer A. Caution. How many did you get right? What was the hardest one? Comment your score and subscribe.